Hi, my name is Jack.
And my name is Jim.
We are students at Fenner Field School this summer, and we wanted to share a stewardship project that we have planned for Fenner Nature Center.
After learning about the importance of preserving nature, we decided that we want to restore the old butterfly garden, which is located in the field outside of Fenner's Visitor Center.
During our project, we are going to be removing plants and weeds that are overgrown and replacing them with new native plants.
The plants we want to include in our garden are going to be native to Michigan and also edible, so that the wildlife of Fenner and our own animals in the Visitor Center can enjoy them.
We want to use our old butterfly garden as an example of what can happen in nature.
We have learned that over time the types of species in areas will change. A different type of species can move into an area and take over, out-competing native species for its resources. This is called an invasive species.
Animals from Michigan need native plants, and those native plants need the animals so they can reproduce. Our new garden is going to preserve important plant species in Michigan, while helping both the plants and the animals around the area.
We also decided to use certain plants so that our visitors will see the types of plants Native Americans used in history.
In order to finish our project, we need your help.
You can help us by digging up plants that are overgrown and need new homes, preparing the bed for the native plants, and finally planting our new garden.
We are going to be restoring the butterfly garden on Friday, July 29th at 10 a.m.
Everyone can join us inside the Visitor Center at Fenner, where we will begin our stewardship project.
Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you on Friday.